Good day, M4537. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Georgine Sampero. I am 36. I'm a single parent. I have one daughter, 14 years old. I am Catholic. I am high school graduate.
Okay, Miss Jurgens, I see that you have experience somewhere in the Philippines as a helper. What is your main duty and responsibility?
I'm cleaning, washing, cooking, and take care baby.
Okay, and you have also another experience somewhere in the Philippines. What is your main duty and responsibility there?
Cleaning, washing, ironing, gardening.
Okay, also gardening. Miss Jurgens, I see that you have experience taking care of a newborn baby. What is your main duty and responsibility as a helper to take care a newborn baby? How do you prepare the food of this newborn baby?
I will clean the bottle, then I will put some milk and I will shake well before I give the baby.
Okay. Miss Jurgens, if the baby is crying, what would you do? If the baby is crying, what would you do?
I will check if I'm sick and I will check the diaper is full.
Okay. Miss Jurgens, are you willing to accept the holiday set up by your employer?
Yes,
Are you willing to work on Sunday?
yes,
Are you willing to cut your hair short?
yes,
It is okay to you to take care an elderly person, helping them to take a bath, change diaper, go to toilet, and accompany by the hospital?
yes,
Okay, Miss Jurgens, uh, are you willing to uh, sleep with them in the same room
yes,
with the employer? It's okay to you mm, to eat the food that the employer prepared for you.
yes.
Okay, Ma'am Jurgens, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because I want to give a good future in my daughter and to help my family.
Okay, Miss Jurgens, how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I finished my contract. It's depend my employer if give
If the
extend.
employer wants you to extend, you will
Yes.
extend. Okay, Miss Jurgens, message to your future employer.
Hi, my future employer. I hope you choose me because I'm kind, I'm honest, I could take care of your family because I'm loving, caring, understanding, and I I could take care like my family.
Okay,
And thank
thank you
you.
very much, Miss Jurgens, M4537.